In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Lovable profile private. Securing your online presence is crucial, and adjusting your profile settings on Lovable is an excellent step toward managing your digital footprint effectively. So, let's dive right into it and make your profile secure. The first thing you need to do is navigate to your profile. You can do this by clicking on the profile icon, which you'll find strategically placed in the lower left corner of the screen as you access your Lovable account. This is the gateway to your personal settings, so go ahead and click there. Once you've clicked the profile icon, it'll bring up a variety of options tailored to help you customize your profile. What you need to do next is click on Settings. This option is usually quite prominent, as it holds the key to adjusting various individual aspects of your Lovable interface. When you click Settings, you're opening up a new world of options where you can manage everything from profile visibility to notification preferences. But for today's focus, we're zeroing in on privacy. Now that you're in the Settings menu, the next step is to locate where it says Profile Visibility. This section is dedicated to controlling who can view your profile, and by extension, your personal and professional details. It's an essential feature for maintaining your privacy and ensuring that your online presence aligns with your comfort level regarding digital interactions. Once you've found the Profile Visibility section, click on it. This will typically present you with several options ranging from public to visible, to friends or private. To ensure that only you and those you explicitly choose can see your details, you'll want to change your profile setting to private. By switching to private, you create a barrier that ensures only those you allow can peek into your world. This selection is pivotal in protecting your privacy and giving you control over your data. And there you have it, your Lovable profile is now private. Keep in mind that privacy settings aren't just about hiding your information, they are about controlling how you share your identity. It's an empowering way to engage online with confidence and peace of mind, knowing that you've taken the necessary steps to protect your personal space. Remember, staying up to date with privacy settings is a rewarding practice as technology and applications continue to evolve. By regularly checking on these settings, you maintain control